A cavity resonator is A hollow metallic enclosure. B. A hollow enclosure having magnetic material as its walls. C. A hollow enclosure having dielectric material as its walls. D. Either B or C. The correct answer is a hollow metallic enclosure. If antenna diameter is increased 4 times, the maximum range is increased by a factor of A2, B2, C4, D 0.2. The correct answer is 4. Atomic and molecular resonance is observed in many substances. A. At microwave frequencies. B. At low frequencies. C. At frequencies used in AM broadcast. D. At both B and C. The correct answer is at microwave frequencies. The component in the given figure is A. Attenuator. B. T-type low-pass filter. C. T-type high-pass filter. D. Phase shifter. The correct answer is T-type low-pass filter. The semiconductor diode which can be used in switching circuit in microwave range is A. Pin diode. B. Varactor diode. C. Tunnel diode. D. Gun diode. The correct answer is pin diode. In the given figure, the reflected current wave after first reflection is A 0.18 A, B 0.18 A, C 0.3 A, D 0.3 A. The correct answer is 0.18 A. A line has an attenuation of 0.054 npm. The attenuation in decibels is A 4.7 dBm, B 0.47 dBm, C 0.54 dBm, D 5.4 dBm. The correct answer is 0.47 dBm. If a line is open circuited Z in Z0 tank GL, A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. A reflex klystron oscillator uses A. 1 cavity resonator, B. 2 cavity resonators, C. 3 cavity resonators, D. none of the above. The correct answer is 1 cavity resonator. A coaxial RF cable has a characteristic impedance of 50 and C equal to 40 pfm. The inductance is A. 1 hm, B. 10 hm, C. 0.1 hm, D 0.01 hm. The correct answer is 0.1 hm. To couple a coaxial line to a parallel wire line, it is best to use A. slotted line, B. balloon, C. directional coupler, D. 4 transformer. The correct answer is balloon. In a multicavity klystron amplifier, the signal to be amplified develops an AC voltage of signal frequency across the gap in bunch cavity. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. If VSWR is infinite, the transmission line is terminated in A. short circuit, B. complex impedance, C. open circuit, D. either A or C. The correct answer is either A or C. In a circular waveguide, DE21 mode has lowest cutoff frequency. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. The number of TV channels which can be accommodated in a spectrum of 300 MHz is about A. 5, B. 10, C. 50, D. 200. The correct answer is 50. The noise figure of multicavity klystron amplifier is very low. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. In the given figure, the E and H lines in a coaxial cable. Other radial lines are E lines and circular lines are H lines. B. Radial lines are H lines and circular lines are E lines. C. The directions of E and H lines are wrong. D. Radial lines may be E and H lines depending on direction of current. The correct answer is the radial lines are E lines and circular lines are H lines. Roughly the time required for microwave cooking as compared to conventional cooking is A. About twice, B. About half, C. About 10 times, D. About 1/10. The correct answer is about 1/10. If the minimum range of a radar is to be doubled, the peak power has to be increased by a factor of A2, B4, C8, D16. The correct answer is 16. Which mode has the lowest cutoff frequency in circular waveguides? A. TE01, B. TE11, C. TE20, D. TE21. The correct answer is TE11. A wave EM cosB xt is a backward wave. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. A reflex klystron oscillator is A. Low power device, B. High power device, C. High efficiency device, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is low power device. Consider the following applications: A. 1, 2 and 3, B. L and 2 only, C. 1 and 3 only, D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Consider the following statements: A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2, C. 1, 2 and 3, D. 4 only. The correct answer is 4 only. Impedance inversion may be obtained with A. short-circuited stub, B. a quarter wave line, C. an open-circuited stub, D. a half-wave line. The correct answer is a quarter wave line. Power gain of a multicavity klystron amplifier is A. more than 30 dB, B. causes retardation of all electrons, C. causes acceleration of some electrons and retardation of others, D. none of the above. The correct answer is more than 30 dB. If a short line is terminated in characteristic impedance, it behaves as an infinite line. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. GA as exhibits negative differential mobility. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Consider the following statements: A. 1, 2 and only, B. 1, 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3 only. Consider the following applications: A. 1, 2, 3 and 4, B. 1, 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 2 only, D. 2, 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3 only. Which one of the following is not a negative resistance device? A. gun diode, B. tunnel diode, C. impedance diode, D. varactor diode. The correct answer is varactor diode. Microwave links are typically 50 km apart. A. because of atmospheric attenuation, B. because of output tube power limitation, C. because of Earth's curvature, D. to ensure that applied DC voltage is not excessive. The correct answer is because of Earth's curvature. For matching over a range of frequencies in a transmission line, it is best to use A. balloon, B. a broadband directional coupler, C. double stub, D. a single stub of adjustable position. The correct answer is double stub. Which of the following is wrong for a magic used to T? A. E and H arms are decoupled, B. coplanar arms are coupled, C. All ports are perfectly matched. D. A signal into coplanar arm splits equally between E and H arms. The correct answer is coplanar arms are coupled. The expression HZC cosB x cos A y YZ is for A. TE wave, B. trademark waves, C. both TE and trademark waves, D. some TE and some trademark waves. The correct answer is TE wave. Read the following statements about TWT. A 1, 2, 3 and 4. B 1, 2 and 3. C 1, 3 and 4. D 1, 2 and 4. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 4. If a line having Z0 300W is short-circuited at far end, VSWR is A0, B1, C, D2. The correct answer is a klystron amplifier generally uses Pierce gun. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. A pulsed radar produces 1 second pulses at a rate of 1000 per second. The duty cycle is A 0.001, B 0.01, C 0.1, D 1. The correct answer is 0.001. Which device has internal positive feedback? A. two-cavity klystron amplifier, B. multi-cavity klystron amplifier, C. reflex klystron amplifier, D. all of the above. The correct answer is reflex klystron amplifier.